In a city where success was measured by wealth and power, there was one man, a ruthless businessman, who thought he was a kind man who possessed everything. Adam was missing one important quality, empathy. He treated people like tools and judged them based on what he needed. While Sam was busy sweeping the floors, he bravely asked Adam for help. But to Adam, Sam didn't matter, and neither did his request. He had no time for the problems of people he saw as unimportant. Sam lowers his head, sighs deeply, and walks out of the office with slow, heavy steps, disappearing from the hallway. But fate has a balancing system. The universe observes and records all deeds, and now Adam is finally facing the consequences of his actions. His business partner, whom he trusted blindly, had embezzled millions and disappeared overnight. He, who had trusted his partner blindly, had been cheated of millions only for the partner to disappear overnight. Once he was a corporate warrior, Adam was now just a small piece controlled by fate. Not much time passed before Adam lost everything: his money, his business, and his prestige. An empire built on pride now lay in broken ruins. He always thought that money was a shield, but fate turned against him, and now he realized that he had no friends. He felt money was his shield, but when fortune turned its back on him, he came to know that there were no true friends. With no option left, he humbled himself and walked inside to rebuild his life. But what he didn't know was that karma had one final lesson to teach. Adam approaches the counter, nervously rubbing his hands together as he waits for the owner to appear. His unlucky destiny brought him face to face with the man he once called unimportant. Adam freezes, his eyes widen in shock as he recognizes Sam. The realization hits him like a thunderbolt. The one he had treated like dirt had now risen to a place of power, whereas Adam had sunk to being a desperate job seeker. However, unlike Adam in the past, Sam chose compassion rather than punishment. The arrogant businessman had become a humble laborer. From all of these injustices, Adam learned that how you treat others is how the world will treat you. Be kind, because the universe never forgets. The law of karma always finds its back way.